2021 5500, and it won't start, it just clicks. So you heard that? Brand new battery, brand new alternator. Let's see if we can fix it. All right, so let's tighten the nut on the starter. It's 16 millimeter, one of them. So, let me see. Up there, I don't know if you can see it. Okay, right there. Okay. Motherfucker. Okay, so it was this. It was this one. Now let's see if it starts. All right. Oh boy. So there you go. Problem fixed. Let's do it again. Yeah, it starts. So before you buy a new starter, make sure you try that first. All right. Problem fixed.